Looking to bring your GM vehicle's sound system back to life? Genuine ACDelco GM original equipment car speakers deliver the clear, crisp audio you expect, restoring music to its full potential. These speakers are the exact replacements recommended by GM, designed specifically for your vehicle's original setup. Why settle for less when you can have the quality and durability built into every ACDelco speaker? Manufactured to meet GM's original equipment specifications, these speakers guarantee a perfect fit and reliable performance that lasts. You get the same sound clarity and strength as the factory-installed components. The technology inside these speakers is impressive. They convert electrical signals into sound by using a permanent magnet and an electromagnet that powers the voice coil. When your radio or amplifier sends a signal, the voice coil moves the speaker cone back and forth, producing rich, dynamic sound that fills your vehicle. One satisfied customer shared their experience replacing a blown driver door speaker in their H3T. They found the ACDelco speaker to be the perfect fit at a surprisingly affordable price, restoring their audio system without breaking the bank. This kind of value and reliability is exactly what you want in a replacement part. Choosing ACDelco means you're not just getting any speaker, you're getting a product backed by General Motors' trusted standards. That means consistent sound quality, durability against wear, and a long service life that keeps your music sounding great mile after mile. If you're ready to upgrade your vehicle's audio without compromise, these GM recommended speakers are worth a look. They're designed to match your car's original acoustics, ensuring no surprises during installation or performance. Don't let a worn-out speaker hold you back from enjoying your favorite tunes. With ACDelco GM original equipment car speakers, what you get is straightforward, factory-quality sound, a perfect fit, and lasting durability. Try them when you're ready to hear the difference. Restore your GM vehicle's audio system today with ACDelco speakers, the trusted choice for genuine sound quality and reliability. Experience music the way it was meant to be heard, with a replacement that fits right the first time.